Myself, Dr. Mrs. Sonali G. Gaikwad, Assistant Professor, TGP Dynamic College, Sri Lanka. In today's video lecture, I will be explaining you about Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act 19. This video lecture covers basically three sections, section 6 to section 8. So to begin with, the Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act was established in the year 1956 as a part of the Hindu Code Bill. Hindu Adoption and Maintenance Act was introduced to codify and standardize the current Hindu legal tradition. This act dealt specifically with the legal process of adopting children by a Hindu adult and with the legal obligations of Hindu to provide maintenance. So if you look at the title, you will come to know that this act covers two perspectives. It deals with the provisions of adoption and also with humanity. So coming up to the next section, we'll see about the applicability of this act. So applicability is in a sense to whom this act applies. This act applies to any person who is Hindu by religion in any of its form or development, including a Vaishya, Lingayat, or the follower of Brahmapant or Arya Samaj. Any person who is a Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh by religion. To any other person who is not a Muslim, Christian, Parsi, or Jew by religion, unless it is provided that any such person would not have been governed by the Hindu law or by any custom or usage as part of that law in respect of the matter dealt with here in this act. So basically, following persons may be called as a Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh by religion, as the case may be. Any child, legitimate or illegitimate, both of whose parents are Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh by religion, any child, legitimate or illegitimate, one of whose parents is a Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh by religion, and who is brought up as a member of the tribe, community, group, or family to which such parent belongs or belongs. Any child, legitimate or illegitimate, who has been abandoned both by both of his father and mother, or whose parentage is not known, and who is in either case is brought up as a Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh by religion. Any person who is a converter or reconverter to the Hindu, Buddhist, Jain, or Sikh by religion. So basically, it says that it applies to a person who is Hindu by religion. Now, Section 6 basically lays down the requisites of valid adoption. So, what are the requisites of valid adoption? No adoption shall be valid unless the person adopting has the capacity and also the right to take an adoption. The person giving an adoption has the capacity to do so. The person adopted is capable of being taken in adoption, and the adoption is made in compliance with the other conditions mentioned in this act or chapter. The second slide deals with Section 7 and Section 8. Section 7 says about the capacity of a male Hindu to take in adoption, but there are some essential ingredients, or you can say features of this section, that is, who can adopt. Any male Hindu who is of sound mind and is not a minor has a capacity to take a son or a daughter in adoption, provided that if he has a wife living, he shall not adopt except with the consent of the wife. The consent of the wife may not be required if she has finally and completely renounced the girl or has ceased to be a Hindu or has been declared by the court of competent jurisdiction to be of unsound. Section 8 lays down the capacity of a Hindu female to take in adoption. Any female Hindu who is of sound mind, who is not a minor, and who is not married, or in case of marriage, whose marriage has been dissolved, or whose husband is dead, or has completely and finally renounced the world, or has ceased to be a Hindu, or has been declared by the court of competent jurisdiction to be of unsound mind, has the capacity to take a son or a daughter in adoption. So basically, this sections provide for some of the needs or requirements of a Hindu male and a Hindu female. Besides this section also highlights some of the three important definitions which are provided under Section 3. Section 3A deals with custom and usage. Section 3B deals with maintenance. So what is maintenance? Maintenance is in all cases it will cover provisions of education, medical attendance, medical treatment, and in case of unmarried daughter or marriage expenses of that girl. And Section 3C deals with the definition of the term minor. So who's a minor? A person who has not completed the age of 18. So in my next video lecture, we shall discuss about the further sections which are much important. So till then, stay tuned, stay home and stay safe. Thank you.